Hi guys! So for today's tutorial, as you can see, I'm going to be doing this makeup look here. It's just something really elegant and smoky and bronze. But before I get into the tutorial, I just want to also mention that this video is kindly sponsored by Ana Luisa. So thank you so much to them for sponsoring the first portion of today's video. And they were also kind enough to give me a discount code for you guys. So the discount code will be down below in the description box, and it is for 10% off the entire website. So Ana Luisa is a very sustainable jewellery brand, and they keep their prices very affordable. Their jewellery is such high quality at also such an affordable price. They were obviously kind enough again to let me select 3 different pieces, and this month I selected 3 earrings this time. So these are the wee pouches that you will receive your jewellery in, by the way, which I think are so cute. These are really handy to, of course, keep your jewellery safe and clean, but they're also really handy to travel with. Whenever I travel or go on holiday somewhere, I do take a lot of jewellery, and it just saves it being at the bottom of your handbag or rattling around in your suitcase. It is just so handy to just pop your jewellery in here, and it'll just keep it nice and safe and just all together. They're so handy. First off, I want to talk about this wee earring here. This is a wee ear cuff, and this is very different for me. I thought I would kind of get something different that I've never tried from them before. Some of their ear cuffs are beautiful. This might be a wee bit too much for some people, but I think it's so me. It's absolutely perfect. And on their website they do have more simple wee ear cuffs that are just nice and elegant. This wee ear cuff here is crafted in 100% sterling silver, and it is also coated with 14K gold. I just absolutely love the trimming of it, the way we have like the wee sparkly diamantes, and then we also have like the wee studded pyramid look to it. I just think it's so nice, really nice and glam. And one thing I did notice that it was a wee bit difficult to just place on here, like to just pop it on. So at the start of the tutorial I did have it up here and it sat perfectly fine, it sat there, but I was actually able to just take it off so easy and kind of like expand it a wee bit, if that makes sense. Obviously please do be careful with it, but you are actually able to kind of open it the tiniest wee bit, and that meant that I was able to actually fit it in here. We all have different ear sizes, so I think it just kind of depends on your ear size. But then I was able to just kind of like squeeze it the tiniest bit just to really hold it here, and it is so comfortable. And then next up are these sweet earrings in here. I might kind of have to like separate these. These other 2 earrings are also from Ana Luisa, by the way, but these are the Toda earrings. I feel like these wee earrings are very modern and very in style. As we know, it is very trendy right now to have stacked up ears and earrings, but I feel like these are so cool if you only have like the one piercing hole. So as you can see, it is a double hoop design for a stack look with just having one piercing, which is so handy, so cool. So it just means that these wee earrings are beautiful, and they're just really nice and dainty and simple, but they're also really pretty as well on their own, and also stacked up the way I have them now. The last piece is actually these wee earrings here that again I'm already wearing, and I think these earrings are probably going to be my favourites. Oh, they're just the most perfect size. So these are the Porous earrings, and these are a thick twisted hoop with a polished texture, and they are also dipped in 14K gold, and they look and feel amazing. I love them. I think they're so nice. I think they would be beautiful as well if they were slightly bigger, but I think that the fact that they are quite small makes them just a wee bit more elegant looking, day-to-day wear, work wear, and you can also make them a wee bit more stylish and trendy as well with how I have them paired up and stacked up with other wee pieces as well. So guys, that was all my pieces that I got from Ana Luisa this month, and thank you so much then for sponsoring the first portion of this video and sending me these beautiful pieces. I just also want to mention before I get into the tutorial, please don't forget to check out my description box where I'll have the direct link to their website, and I will also have my discount code down below as well for 10% off site-wide. I'm going to first start off my skin, so I'm going to be taking the Milk Hydro Grip Primer. And for foundation, I'm going to be taking the NARS Natural Radiant Longer Foundation in the shade Mont Blanc. So this is the shade that I use whenever I'm not thick tanned, of course. Although I know it's okay actually. I was going to say I probably could get away with like wearing a lighter shade, but it's actually not too bad. And it doesn't oxidize or anything, so. For concealer, this is the Tarte Shape Tape. I've actually been really loving the Huda Beauty Full Filter Foundation Stick for my cream bronzer recently, so I'm going to be taking the shade Tres Leches. I know for a fact that I'm completely butchering that, but 320G, if that helps. I really like the formula of it actually, it's really nice and creamy. It's just really easy to blend. Just doing a wee bit of backing with the Hourglass Veil translucent powder. This is the Jouer highlight in Citrine. This wee one here. Then for blush, I'm taking this wee NARS Exposed Cheek Palette, and I'm going to take this shade here. For bronzer, I'm going to be taking this one from Morphe. This is the Glamour Bronze bronzer in the shade Mastermind. Now just to start in the eyes, guys, I'm going to be taking the Natasha Denona Gold palette, and I feel like every single time I use this palette I always use this shade first. So I'm going to be taking that shade and using that as my transition. I'm just going to be popping this just all over the crease, just with this big blending brush here from Buff and Blend. I'm going to take this Rimmel Kohl eyeliner pencil and I'm just going to pop this just in my waterline. I think I'm actually going to bring this down onto the lid as well. Oh my god, this is so similar to one of my previous tutorials. I am so sorry. I had done like a nice soft smoky eye like this and just purple on the lower lash line. Oh dear. Oh dear, oh dear. I do apologise. I'm also going to take this shade here on this wee Buff and Blend brush. It's a BB02 brush. These two brushes here are great for your lower lash line. I'm just going to blend that out a wee bit. Now for the shimmer shades. The shimmer shades in this palette are absolutely beautiful. They're so gorgeous. I think I might actually use a couple. I might use just one of these and then one of these like more rough looking shimmers as like a wee topper. So I'm going to try this shade here with a brush first of all. I do feel like they're best applied with the finger, but we'll see. I'm going to keep on patting that on, then I'm actually just going to use my finger just to blend that at the crease. Oh yeah, it's really nice actually. And then I'm going to use my finger and take this shade here up in the corner. And just swipe that up the center. Oh yeah, that's so beautiful. Something so easy and simple. Gorgeous. So I'm also going to do a wee bit of like inner corner eyeliner. Now and again I like to do it with a liquid liner, but I kind of prefer to do it with an eyeshadow. I'm going to be taking the darkest shade and I'm going to be taking this on a Inglot 3-1T brush. So now for my lips, This is starting to become a wee bit boring now, but I'm going to be taking the Colourpop Lipliner. I'm trying to get rid of it. I think by this time next week I'll be rid of this lip liner and you'll never see it again. I swear. Gonna take the Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Touch Matte Lipstick. This completes this makeup tutorial. Thank you so much for watching, and of course thank you so much to Ana Luisa for sponsoring the first portion of today's video. Don't forget to check out my description box where I'll have the direct link to their website, and I will also have my discount code as well for 10% off. Again, thank you all so much for watching. I hope you're all staying safe and well. Please be kind to yourselves and each other, and I shall see you in my next video.